and you are unboxing her with me at the same time. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. So I did get over £100 off it. You're gonna sit right there, are you? 3. My favourite bag and most used bag so far. Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel and another video. It's honestly been a hot minute since I've sat down and talked to you guys, just because I've had literally no time, but we're back with a bang, and today we're going to do a Coach Pillow Tabby 26 versus the 18, just because it's still one of my favourite bags at the moment. And I also find it's quite hard to gauge online the size difference, and like actually seeing it in person makes a complete difference. So don't worry, I'm here to help you out. So since Black Friday, Christmas, New Year time, I may have bought 3. I may have bought 3 Coach bags, but can I just say that every single one of them was in the sale, and I think I got a really good deal on all 3, so shh, we're just not going to mention anything, okay? Personally, I just think they're a staple bag. The shape of them, the size of them, and the fact that you can get loads of different colours. I just think it's a classic bag. I also think it's like a timeless silhouette, so I think no matter if it's later on this year, next year, the year after, you can definitely still get away with wearing this bag. So before I start blabbing too much, I think we're just going to jump right into this video, and we're going to start off with a strong one. We're going to start off with the Coach Pillow Tabby in 26. Look at her though, she is just absolutely stunning. She is definitely my favourite bag and most used bag so far out of all 3 of them. So this is the Coach Pillow Tabby 26, and this is in a gorgeous like emerald green colour. And I just love this colour. I think it goes with so many things. So as I said, I did buy this bag in the sale, so I did get over £100 off it, which is fantastic. So this bag came in the Coach box, because that's where I bought it from. I bought it straight from the Coach website. It did come in a dust bag, which is somewhere over there in a pile of mess. So this is how she came, and she also did come with that massive like pillow tag that attaches on here, which I took off because I think it's too big and bulky. So I just took her straight off. She does come with a crossbody strap, which to be honest, I haven't actually worn this yet with the bag. I have just constantly worn it with the shoulder bag strap. This strap is again a gorgeous colour with the gorgeous gold detailing with Coach embossed on all the gold hardware. The size of the strap is adjustable, which I think is great because I'm not average size. There might be people that are taller, smaller, etc. So I can make this fit my body size. She also came with all your paperwork, which I've just kept in this envelope, which I will keep with all my other envelopes for things that I've bought. She came with this beautiful padded shoulder strap, which gives like the pillow effect to go with the bag. I honestly wish you could feel this bag, but I don't know if you can see it. Like the leather is so soft. Like she is so soft and so squishy. I just absolutely love her. And I'm a sucker for gold hardware, as we can see on the C on the Coach logo. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. The shoulder strap is detachable, and you can also detach it from this side too, depending on what strap you want to wear. But I just constantly have her on this strap. Inside, so I still have the protection stickers on the magnetic clasp there. To be honest, I don't know if I will ever take that off. I don't know why. I guess I'm just scared to scratch it. So inside the bag there is 3 compartments. You've got the back compartment with the Coach leather label at the back, which does have a serial number down at the bottom for you. And the back of the bag is this gorgeous soft leather, but all the other leather inside, like on the zipped pouch, is just a cheaper leather material, which I'm a little bit disappointed at. I thought they might have stuck with the same leather throughout this bag, but I don't know, maybe if it's just to do with durability and longevity. So the next compartment is a wee zipped compartment, which is fantastic for securing a bit more valuables in there. And you're not going to be able to see this, but the material lining inside does have Coach monogrammed all across it, and it's in the matching green. And then the front pocket here is just the same as the back, but this one has 2 lipsticks in it. That does not come included. And this is going to sound like the weirdest thing you've probably ever heard, but the zip is a nice zip. If you know, you know. So that's the Coach Pillow Tabby in size 26, and I have her in green. So next we're comparing it to the Pillow Tabby 18, which I'm actually very disappointed in considering I bought them both from Coach's website. This one came in a paper bag, whereas the other one came in a box. So I'm a little bit disappointed there. But I'm excited because I actually haven't opened this one yet. So again, we get the same paperwork folder, and you are unboxing her with me at the same time. The 26 also came in a dust bag, but I didn't have that to hand. So here's the 18 in its dust bag. And it's so satisfying because I literally haven't touched her yet. Look. So here is the Coach Pillow Tabby in 18. And this colourway is called the Pale Pistachio. I just think it's so cute. And it's so like spring and summery. I just love this kind of green. As well as the emerald one. As we can tell, I have a thing for green. And I've only just realised on opening this that it's actually got silver hardware instead of the gold. Which, if I actually opened my eyes and looked at the pictures online, I would have seen. But I didn't. I suppose that's okay because I can't have everything gold. We need to mix and match sometimes. So this is the Pillow Tabby in 18. As you can see, there's definitely a difference in size, and this is quite a bit smaller. This is the pillow keyring I was talking about on my bigger one, which I have removed. That one's still on it, which I will remove because it's big and bulky. So inside the bag, again, comes with the protection labels, comes with another, what's it called? Dust bag. Comes with another dust bag. So inside this one you've got the two larger compartments and a small opening against the back there. Again, it does have your Coach label with your serial number on, and it has a Coach Cares service card inside. So the 18 doesn't have the zipped compartment in the middle, but it does have the slightly larger compartments there. And she comes with a thinner crossbody strap with the adjustable height settings. This will probably stay in its dust bag just because I'm more likely to use it by just carrying it rather than slinging it across myself. But it's nice to have an option. And I don't know if you could see in the background, I also have the Pillow Tabby 18 in the ivory colourway, which I just think she is a complete classic. The ivory and black, you 100% cannot go wrong with. But the one thing I have found is that the ivory and black do not go in the sale. But I don't know how I got this one in the sale. I think it was just complete potluck, and somebody obviously pressed the wrong button behind the website, and this ivory one went on sale on the very website, so I did manage to get it for the same price as this one. So this ivory one is meant to stay at £395. I did manage to pick it up for a lot less, and I genuinely have no idea because I went on the next day to go and show someone and it was back up at full price. I definitely think it was meant to be. So here's the bag in all three colourways. So can you tell that I absolutely love this bag? Yes, because I have it in 3 different colours. And black is also on my list to get as well. But comparing the Pillow Tabby 26 to the 18, like honestly, like look at the size. We'll just put them side by side. So as you can see, the 18 is quite a bit smaller to the 26. I definitely grab the 26 more on a daily basis, and this is currently my everyday bag. Whereas the 18, I would tend to grab it more for like a lunch with the girls, or a meal out, or a night out, something like that. Just something smaller, as I don't need to carry as much. I definitely think it's good to have both because we all know I love an option. We have to have options here, and of course we need options of green. We need light green and dark green. And there is also a fluffy green one of the 26, which I am desperate for, but I just can't justify buying it. So if anyone out there is feeling very kind and gifting and would like to gift me the Coach Shearling Pillow Tabby in 26, I would honestly be so grateful and thankful and loveful. A girl can dream. So if I could buy one bag from Coach, it would have to be the Pillow Tabby 26. Just because I get so much more use out of it than the 18. And again, if you can grab it on the sale, 100% worth it. The 26 is still currently on sale on the Coach website with 30% off, but you can get an extra 20% off by using the code extra20. So how fabulous is that? I mean, who doesn't love a discount code when it's on sale as well? And same with the 18, there is 30% off there. There is 30% off them with the extra 20 code for 20% extra. So I still can't believe it. These have been on sale for like 2 months, and if my bank account allowed me, I would have a lot more colours, but unfortunately that's just not the reality. And if you are buying your first Pillow Tabby, I would highly recommend a neutral colour, either the ivory or black, because I think that you would get the most wear out of that. But I mean, if you're girl or guy of colour, then 100% go for a colour, and pick a colour that you could wear with anything. Like these green ones I could wear all the time, but same with the ivory. And if you can, I would definitely recommend the Pillow Tabby 26 the most, just because you can fit so much more in her, and she is a really good size of bag. So that's it for my Coach Pillow Tabby 26 versus the 18. I hope this did help in some ways for you if you are deciding on what size to get, or even just seeing some of the colours in person. So thank you guys so much for watching another video of mine. Please don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already, and to hit that like button if you did enjoy this video. And we'll see you in my next video. Bye guys! Mwah.